There's a fantastic range of accessories out there for your four-wheel drive, but I reckon still the most important thing you should stick on a vehicle if you're going to do any remote area travel is the good old bull bar. Bull bars have evolved enormously over the years, and the modern bull bar for your four-wheel drive is a lot more than just protection. It's a complete platform for mounting a whole range of accessories too. There's a big range of bull bars on the market, and like anything, it's really worth spending the time to do your homework, look at the features of what's available, and make the right decision for your vehicle. Some bull bars may look quite similar, but believe me, there's a world of difference between the different models out there. One of the first things you should look at when you're looking to buy a bull bar is the material it's made of. Take this vehicle for instance. It's a very big, capable off-road vehicle, but you go and hit a kangaroo at high speed and it's going to stop it in its tracks. I mean, that kangaroo through this radiator is going to completely immobilise the vehicle. So what you want is a bull bar that's going to give you really good protection in those sort of circumstances, and the simple answer is the only material that will deliver that sort of performance is steel. The other options available, like plastic and alloy, they may be a good place to mount your driving lights, your CB aerial, and even your winch in some cases, but they just will not offer you anywhere near the sort of protection that a good steel bull bar will, particularly in the wing area of the bull bar, which is the most vulnerable area in the event of an animal strike. Another thing you should look at very carefully when you're selecting a bull bar for your vehicle is the approach angle. A lot of the bull bars on the market sit down really low and really impair the approach angle of the vehicle. So make sure you get something that sits up nice and high, and ideally get something that has a far better approach angle than the standard vehicle. These modern vehicles have an awful lot of technology built into them, so it's really important that any accessory you fit to the vehicle doesn't have any adverse effects on any aspect of that vehicle whatsoever. Take for example airflow. This is a big engine, gets very hot, so it's really important that the bull bar has plenty of ventilation and allows heaps of airflow through to the radiator. Don't just look at the front of the bull bar, get underneath and have a good look and see how it secures to the vehicle. The mounting system of a bull bar is the single most important aspect of it, and it's really important that that mounting system is fully compatible with the vehicle's airbags and that it can withstand extreme loads that winching will place on the mounting system. It's really important that the bull bar has no exposed or sharp edges. For example, it's soft radiuses, urethane buffers, cover straps on the uprights, and a recessed roller fairlead system. Bull bars are a fantastic platform for mounting a whole range of accessories, all of which will make your off-road touring much safer and more enjoyable. Make sure there's places for a couple of CB aerials, good set of driving lights, fog lights and turn signals, provision for a winch, and somewhere you can use a high lift jack as well. Modern vehicles have an awful lot of sensitive componentry located behind the original bumper, so it's really important that when you fit the bull bar, it has plenty of underbody protection as well. Make sure also that the bull bar has provision to reattach the factory tow points. A bull bar is a great investment for any four-wheel drive that's going to spend any time touring in remote areas. Just make sure you choose a bull bar that's fully designed to integrate with the vehicle, that offers a great deal of protection in extreme circumstances, and like anything, do your homework, look at the design, the engineering and the manufacturing techniques that go into making that bull bar so you can be sure when you're out in the bush that you've got the right tool for the job.